What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model towards a more powerful chipset than the A16 of the iPhone 14 Pro smartphone. Also, Samsung's next generation OLED panel could reach 2500 nits peak brightness. Always more efficient, Galaxy smartphones should be even better next year. We have just learned via a benchmark that the Snapdragon Gen 3 chipset, the one that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will carry, would be more powerful than the A16 of the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max smartphones. In 2023, Samsung came to take a very good choice to offer Qualcomm's latest high-end chipset on all Galaxy S23s around the world, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. In addition to a performance gain compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and even more so compared to the Exynos 2200 of the Galaxy S22, the introduction of this processor has the advantage of offering much better autonomy, especially on the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. The good news, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 would offer great things for the Galaxy S24 line. Indeed, a user has just announced on the South Korean social network Miko to have discovered a benchmark of the chipset, which thus discovered a score of 1930 points in a single core and 6236 in multi-score. As a reminder, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 of the Galaxy S23 reaches a score of 1500 and 5200 respectively. Thus, this new generation would have a higher power of 30% in single core and 20% in multi-core. It is also important to note that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 would exceed the score of the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max with the A16 chipset, having a score of 1800 points in a single core and 6500 points in multi-score. According to rumors, this performance gain is due to a different arrangement of the cores of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a 1+5+2 configuration compared to 1+4+3 for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. Thus, the Galaxy S23 would be entitled to one less efficient core and an additional secondary core. The increased performance would also come from a finer etching of the chipset in 3 nm. This should also offer better energy efficiency in passing. It remains to be seen whether the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be able to compete with the A17 chipset planned for the Apple iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max smartphones. It is expected that the new Galaxy S24 line will officially launch in early 2024 with an even more improved camera system. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.